Kavita ji, recruitment in HR is most of the time has been seen as a back end or a just a support function. But in your journey, in your thought process, you have defined this as a strategic partner. So can you please put some light on that?
Yes, definitely. Uh, we never think that we are a vendor to our client. We always think we are the hiring partner. Okay. So, and HR and recruitment, yes, इंडस्ट्री में लोग सोचते हैं कि हाँ ये तो सपोर्ट फंक्शन है, इनका क्या ही काम है बिजनेस ग्रोथ में. बट हमें ये सोचना चाहिए हम कंपनी चलते किससे, राइट? ह्यूमन से कंपनी चलते हैं. अगर आप सही ह्यूमन लाएंगे तो आपके ग्रोथ भी सही होते हैं, राइट? एंड सही ह्यूमन लाने के लिए लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजी प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल एंड we work on that segment. We get many requirements, but before understanding the requirement in deep, I never start work. This is a clear instruction to my team. I personally talk to client, understand their vision, their goal, and it is mandatory to have a client call before we start the position. Okay. I prefer कि कंपनी सीईओ या कंपनी जो मेन पर्सन है, who is sharing, who is the visionary person, he comes on the call because I am there in the call and they explain me why this position exists. Right. If I feel yes, there are some gaps in between their expectation and the position they have shared, we work strategically on that. Wow. And we create a proper process, proper roadmap that where this position will leads to and why this position has been created. After all this analytics, after all this strategic thought process, we start working on the position. So that is the reason I every time tell HR or recruitment is a strategic thing. It's not a back office or a support function.
Wow, that's a brilliant thought process, Deepa ji. So tell me, how does this thought process had helped DC consultants growth?
There are many clients who just only think about business growth without any other thought. मैं एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगी. हमारे क्लाइंट जो हमेशा क्वार्टरली टारगेट कितना अचीव हो रहा है उस पे फोकस्ड थे. ओके. उनको मैन पावर भी चाहिए था. देन जब मैंने क्लाइंट से वन ऑन वन डिस्कशन किए तो हमें लगा देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ गैप्स. वो जो चाह रहे हैं रिक्रूट करने के लिए, जिनसे उनका ग्रोथ हुए, क्वार्टरली टारगेट अचीव हुए, एंड जो हम लोगों को ढूंढने दिए हैं, दैट्स कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. After that discussion, we made few strategies related to hiring and redefined all the process of hiring, all the job descriptions again. So after doing that, they achieved the desired goal they were expecting, every quarterly target, everything. So while we are associated with clients as a strategic partner, as a strategic recruitment partner, while we give our pure advice, why? Because we are into the industry since last 15 years. True. So we know how things goes on. While we explain them everything, they accept that because they are also genius people. Absolutely. They are expert in their business. They accept that. So the way the relationship we built with the client, that actually helps us to grow. They trust us. They know कि that Deepanvita या DC consultants, they won't source anybody. They will source someone who will fit to our business and who will take our business to next level. So that trust factor is amazing, and they believe on our work. They believe on what we do. So yeah, that actually helps to get more requirement, to grow our business, and to get more client. We get many clients through direct references. Fantastic. Hardly I have done much business development till date. Most of our client came through references, word of mouth, and this trust factor what I have just said.